Welcome to the program. In today's class, we're going to be covering things that you should know before you start an affiliate marketing business. So we're going to be covering a variety of important questions that you may have when you first start affiliate marketing. Now, this video sits really nicely with a series of videos that are across on my channel, whether it's how to get started with affiliate marketing, how to get traffic, how to share your link, what products you should be promoting, or even if you don't understand some of the terminology that is bandied about, I have a video that covers every single term that you may have come across. So it's really interesting video that you may find really benefits you. So you may be aware that there are so many ways that you can make money online, whether you're selling your own products, whether you're an influencer, whether you're a content creator, okay? But affiliate marketing still sits right at the top of one of the best ways to make money because of the low barrier to entry and the massive profits that can be achieved. Okay, so in this video, we're going to be covering a number of questions that you may have. So let's get started. So the first question is, what do I need to start affiliate marketing? Now, this is really simple because what you need is basically nothing. All that you need in order to start an affiliate marketing business is a computer and an internet connection. It sounds like the obvious, it sounds cliche, but it's the truth, okay? You don't need loads of, expensive tech or really expensive software. All you need is a computer where you can utilize some of the tools that we've spoken about on other videos, okay? Other strategies, and you need an internet connection to interact, okay? So the barrier to entry, as I mentioned at the start of this video, is so small. Anyone can get in it as long as you've got a computer. I would recommend a computer rather than trying to use your smartphone. With a computer, you can sit, you can be comfortable, and you can interact with some of these softwares and websites much more easily and much more steady. You can absorb them, you can learn, you can have multiple windows open. So you will find it much more easier to get started rather than struggling with a small screen. So the second question is, what kind of experience do I need in order to start and then become successful with affiliate marketing? Now, the simple answer to that is you don't need any experience. That's the beauty of it. As I said before, you need a computer, you need an internet connection. You don't need to have a degree. You don't need to have, years and years of experience in certain subjects. You don't need to have experience in technical equipment, technical software. Most softwares that use are drag and drop or very, very simple, few buttons and it's done. Or even if there is a few more steps, the ability to watch short videos to learn these steps can be achieved in a matter of moments. That is the beauty of the internet, okay? But you must be willing to learn. Okay, you must be willing to learn. You must be willing to put in the time and the effort, because if you don't, you're not going to be able to obtain these relatively basic skills that will allow you to do the steps required to be successful with affiliate marketing. So the third question is, do I need money to start affiliate marketing and be successful with affiliate marketing? So this question is more tricky and it's more layered. Okay, do you need money to start? Do you need money to be successful? The short answer to that is no. Okay, there are enough tools that can be accessed for free, utilized for free, and will allow you to become successful. Like what we've spoken about in the videos all about traffic, when you compare free traffic strategies where you compare paid traffic strategies, when you're talking about the free ones, you are investing time, you are creating content, whereas when you're buying traffic, you're essentially paying someone else to do it for you, i.e. the algorithm and the ad networks. Okay, but here's an interesting story. When I first started in affiliate marketing, I wanted to do everything for free, and when I mean free, I wanted to do everything. Okay. And to such an extent that I spent hours and hours and hours and hours searching for obscure websites that would allow me to do things for free, to obtain free hosting, free domains. Okay. And whilst in the end, of days and days of searching and trialing and testing, I did manage to do them. They were of such low quality that they did hold me back a little bit, where in fact, in that instance, it would have been so much easier if I'd just spent the $30, or even less to get a year's hosting, a year's domain, rather than spend, a couple of weeks to get something that was substandard and didn't really serve the purpose that I needed it to. Okay. So there are loads of things that you can get for free. Okay, traffic, and there's loads. Okay, but some things, there's a couple of bits and pieces that you will need to pay for, and things that you will need to pay for are your autoresponder. So your autoresponder is how you're going to gain those leads, how you're going to build that list, and you're going to be able to market to via email marketing. That's something that's non-negotiable. Everything else, give or take, you may be able to get away with a free alternative. But I would recommend looking around, looking at what the best options are, looking at what other people are doing, people that are successful, see what they're using. And if you can obtain those things, do it. Okay? Because it'll be worthwhile in the long run. So here's a big one. The fourth question is, will I be successful? Okay? So as everyone says, typical results are not typical. Okay, results are not typical. Okay, but they are possible for everyone. Okay, and it's all about whether you put the effort in. Okay, whether you put the effort in, whether you try. Okay, whether you give up straight away. Okay, can you be successful? Well, it's obvious, because there are so many people that have been successful over and over again. The amount of students that we've had every single year, thousands of people coming through the door and getting results. This can be a successful business. And the fact that it's done in so many different industries, in so many different ways, it's not just building a website like what we did 15, 20 years ago. People are becoming successful by creating YouTube channels, TikTok, loads of different avenues where they're getting products out to the right customers. So what actually are the pitfalls? Now, there are loads of pitfalls, and I think I've discussed some of these in previous videos. But essentially, what I would say is the biggest pitfall is that you give up. You give up so quickly because you don't get the results that you expected. So you go into affiliate marketing and you think it's going to be push button. Okay, you think it's going to be a get rich quick scheme. It's not. Okay, it's a very rewarding business, but it's not a get rich quick scheme, and it's not push button. Okay, work needs to be done, things need to be learned to get you into a position where it works on clockwork. Okay, because no effort equals no reward. And that's something that people get confused. They think affiliate marketing is just going to be something where they're going to be able to do nothing. They're going to press a button and the money's going to flow through the tills. It is not that way. Okay, effort needs to be done, even if it's just at the start. Okay, there are loads of strategies where you can put a lot of effort in at the start and then stop, but you still see rewards keep coming back to you for months and years to come. Okay, so how to proceed. Now, my recommendation is going through a program where you're going to learn, what the right types of products to promote, how to promote them, all these really important steps. So in the description, I will put my recommended product. If you want to check that out, do. Otherwise, go and watch more videos all about affiliate marketing. There are so many. There are loads on my channel and there's loads on YouTube. So make sure that you absorb as much information as possible, but don't get, overwhelmed, and stay focused. Stay focused. Don't get sidetracked by, other opportunities. Okay. Affiliate marketing is the model. Learn affiliate marketing inside out. And trust me, you will be successful at some point. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you have, as I say, hit the thumbs up button, but check out the channel and watch some of those other videos that line really well with this one. Take care. We'll see you soon.